Right now, I'm just in a better mind state because I just got done with the video instead of just coming off like rusty. You know what I'm saying? I just got done with the video, so we're gonna record this video, and this is how to grow your dreads. This is how to grow it faster, or whatever you're trying to do with your dreads. All right, I'm gonna just give you the rundown. I know a lot got to do with genetics. I know a lot got to do with what type of hair type you got. You feel me? Which is basically genetics. But I'm gonna be giving y'all the things that I did in my journey to make my hair grow exceptionally well, okay? Exceptionally well, okay? So make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. We vlogging off the phone. We left the camera upstairs. I'm not going upstairs. I'm gonna just whip out the phone and we just gonna vlog. That's it. We're gonna chop it up like this. I got my coffee. I'm talking about it's the straight coffee too. You gotta watch the last video but anyways, man, my first thing first is hairstyles. You know what I'm saying? Keep your hair in a protective style. You feel me? Now, one thing I can say about this protective style, the 2-strand twist, it's my favorite. I'm not gonna cap you down. It's my favorite far as not getting a haircut. As far as not getting a haircut, as far as keeping my retwist in for more than 2 months. I'm keeping the 2-strand twist in for at least 2 months. You know what I'm saying? Then when I undo the 2-strand twist, it's like there's no new growth. I mean, there's new growth, but you gotta understand, like, let me show you. There's new growth, right? Oh shit, it's a lot more new growth than I thought. So it's new growth, right? But let's say if I had this and I've had my hair retwisted for about a month or 2 now. But so y'all see that much new growth, right? Right? Hold on, y'all know I gotta put y'all down. I gotta put the Up Next multi-purpose beanie on, man. Link in the description, man. Go check it out. Go shop. Go fuck with it, right? So when you have your 2-strand twist in, right? What's gonna happen is your protect the new retwist is gonna stay there a little longer because it's 2 of them put together like this. You get what I'm saying? And that's at the root. That's at the root. You feel me? So it's not just one dread. That's just one right here, and you just got new growth on the bottom of it, and it's just one dread. It's 2 dreads twisted up together like this. So when they grow, they're almost growing together. If you don't be careful, they will grow together, and your next retwist will be horrific. Your next retwist will be painful. So that's the one tip I got. That's like, if you get the dread hairstyle, if you get the 2-strand twist hairstyle, bro, just be careful. I think the max I done kept mine in was like for like 4 months, and that's the reason I tell y'all like it could grow together, because I did it before. And like everything that I'm telling y'all is coming from my journey. It's coming from, okay, he did this before. Okay, I've experienced this before. So this is what I'm gonna tell y'all. This is how I'm coming with y'all. You feel me? It's like we having a regular conversation. You know what I'm saying? Like I got my phone in my hand. It's like I'm sitting right next to you. I'm just talking to you. I'm just chilling. You feel me? But getting on to the video, it's like, I'm telling y'all this because I'm a person just like you. Like, just because you watch me on YouTube and things of that nature, that don't mean I'm not human. That don't mean this and that and the third. Like, I definitely got to be more consistent so y'all can see me more and more, see me more often. But at the end of the day, like, any type of problems that you got, I got too. And like, that's why I be making these videos for y'all, because it's like, okay, I know any type of problems I had with my hair, any type of things that I encountered with my hair, I can share with y'all. You feel me? I can share with y'all. And then you already know, like, okay, he went through this, I'm gonna do this right. It's like learning from somebody that's older than you, or it's like learning from somebody that's already been through the stuff that you trying to go to, or you trying to go through. You feel me? And with this hair stuff, man, I'm not saying I'm an expert. I'm not saying like, oh, I'm expert, this and the third. I just experienced this. You know what I'm saying? So people can't tell me what I didn't experience or what I did experience. And with this hair, man, I done experienced a lot of stuff, man. I done experienced some stuff with this hair. It's like, damn, like I really thought about cutting it. Like I'm like, damn, like I gotta cut it now because it's so dirty. It's so, I just got done swimming in the summertime. Got them, man, all types of build up. You know what I'm saying? Bleaching my hair because of the pool. You know what I'm saying? All types of build up in my hair because of the pool. Not drying properly. I done been through it all, bro. And these, I say like the last 2 to 3 years, like y'all done seen it. Like y'all done seen like majority of this hair content and like the struggles that I done been through with this hair stuff, man. And that's why I keep posting for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I really gotta do it more frequently, like I started off. But that's why I'm posting for y'all, bro. Because like I said, I know anything that I went through, y'all go through it. Anything y'all go through, I'm going through. You feel me? But getting into way number two is, it's about my last video. It's about what you shouldn't do. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna get too much into this because like I just said, I just made a whole nother video about this, and it was going to be how to grow your dreads. But I was speaking more on what not to do and the things that you should not do, and just to speak on that just a little bit, because like I just said, I made a whole video about it. Dyes, like I said earlier, bleach when you go swimming, drying your hair properly. So just the maintenance of it. You know what I'm saying? Just the maintenance of it. Like number one with styling, that's how you, protective styles. That's how you really gonna grow your hair. That's how you gonna grow your dreads, especially in a fashionable way too. That you gotta think about it. You know what I'm saying? While you growing your hair, you still gonna be out in public. So you put your hair in a protective style, it's gonna be growing while looking good. You know what I'm saying? So number two, like I just said, bro, it's about prevention. And then number three, I'm gonna say the biggest thing for me was, another tip for me was, sleeping on cotton pillows. I do it now. I'm not gonna cap to y'all. Every now and then, you know what I'm saying, the pillowcase might be over there. The pillow might be the pillow with the silk pillowcase, it might be over there. I might got one pillow right here that ain't got no pillow. I'm sleeping on that bit. You know what I'm saying? But another thing is like cotton. Y'all gotta be careful with cotton in your hair because like it could get in your hair. You know what I'm saying? It could get in your hair, and it's most likely gonna get in the back. And when it get in the back, you're not gonna really see it, but other people gonna really see it. And you're not even gonna know. You're just gonna have cotton on the back of your hair. You like, you gonna wipe it, like, man, like, where did this cotton come from? But yeah, man, you wanna make sure that you have a silk pillowcase, man. I've been wanting to come out with silk pillowcases for the longest, man. I just haven't been able to focus my mind, and not just like the timing and everything and things of that nature. It's just like my mind. You know what I'm saying? It's like my mind. It's all on me. You feel me? I'm not blaming this shit on nobody else but me. You feel me? Like me not focusing on my business, that's my business. I should be focusing on that. You know what I'm saying? But you wouldn't understand unless you're a business owner. Like the half of the shit I go through with my business, you wouldn't even understand, bro. You wouldn't even understand. Like sometimes a nigga don't even feel like selling. Real shit. A nigga don't feel like getting up and a nigga don't feel like, man, because like it's like in society, and I know I'm going off track. But just peep right quick, right? Society, and I'm not gonna blame this on nobody. Like I said, I take full responsibility. But it's almost like society wants you working for someone else. It's like society is. It's like I'm more able to comprehend working for someone else than working for myself. And like I said, it's me. It's my programming. I have to switch my programming. And you may be feeling the same way. Like you may be feeling, yo, I'm an entrepreneur at heart. I know how to sell things. I sell things very well. But when it comes to working for other people, it seems more promising in your head. You get what I'm saying? And if you don't get what I'm saying, you probably ain't never worked a job, and that's cool. Like I wanna make it to a point where I'm gonna make it to a point where my kids don't have to work a job. I'm not saying they don't have to work, because everybody has to work on something. If you're a man, you have to work on something, but it's almost to a sense where it's like, I'm not gonna compare it. I'm not gonna compare it to what I was about to compare it to. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm gonna just leave that. I'm gonna let that be, man. I'm gonna come back with a whole nother video for y'all, man. I'm gonna go ahead and say it. I want to say it. Yeah, but it's. I'm not gonna say a job is like slavery, because slavery, niggas didn't get paid for that shit. You know what I'm saying? But if you get what I'm saying, if you understand what I'm saying, if you read between the lines of what I'm saying, like, you gotta understand, right? America was once like, and still is. It definitely still is like business oriented, corporation. You feel me? That's all America is a big corporation. That's why everything is set up how it's set up. Schools, laws, everything, because it's all to make money off of you, right? But it just seemed like in society, it's like motherfuckers would rather for you to work for somebody else than work for yourself. You know what I'm saying? It just, I guess I grew up in that type of environment. I don't know. But yeah, man, I just like talking to y'all niggas, man. I know I get off on like a tangent, a rant, or some shit, but you know what I'm saying? What they say is lonely at the top. It's lonely at the top, my nigga. Cause I'm gonna tell you why. It's hard to stay on top. It's hard to stay on top, bro. Nigga be ready to, you know what I'm saying, jump out the window. Not literally, but figuratively. It's like, it's hard to stay on top. And like, that's why people don't want to play with LeBron. That's why people don't want to play with LeBron James, because it's like, why go play with LeBron James when I can go over here and play for 10, 20 million, not get a championship, but at the same time, not even have to worry about all that. I ain't got to worry about all that shit. I don't want to win the championship. Look, I'm in the NBA specifically, not because I love the game, but because I knew this was going to bring an opportunity for my family. That's all I'm in the NBA for. And some people look at it like that. Some people look at it like LeBron James, like they want it all. They want the championship, they want the money, but it just takes like a different type of work ethic. And people are not, first off, people don't know what type of work ethic that takes. And second of all, people don't want to put in that type of work. You know what I'm saying? So that's why it take a, I look at myself too, I be like, damn, like, you gotta work harder. Cause it be like, it just take like a different type of work ethic, bro. It take like a total different type of work ethic. You know what I'm saying? But man, I'm done ranting to y'all. You know what I'm saying? I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. I done seen so many people walk by and just look at me like I'm crazy because I'm holding the camera and shit. So I'm gonna just let y'all be. I don't really know what I'm about to do right now. I'm not gonna keep y'all down. I love y'all. Peace.